match of IPL 2025 will be between Chennai Super Kings and the Delhi Capitals, which is scheduled to take place in M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai on 5th April 2025. Currently, Chennai Super Kings stand in 8th position in the standings, having won one of their 3 games. Meanwhile, Delhi Capitals have been in excellent shape, winning back-to-back matches and standing on the 2nd place in the points table. Ruturaj Gaikwad scored a 63-run in Chennai Super Kings' last loss to Rajasthan Royals, but the loss was just by 6 runs. Delhi Capitals beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 7 wickets. Faf du Plessis scored 50 runs and Mitchell Starc took 5-wicket haul. Both the sides will be keen to pick up 2 important points in this match. Moving on to CSK vs DC head-to-head records. Chennai Super Kings have 19 matches. Delhi Capitals just have 11 matches. Moving on to CSK vs DC, weather and pitch report. Temperatures in Chennai are expected to hover around 28 degrees Celsius with shattered clouds. At the surface, Chepauk has historically been balanced, offering assistance both to pacers and the spinners. With dry weather and some grip for slower bowlers, expect spin to play a role. The average first innings score here is around 155 runs. Now we're towards CSK vs Delhi Capitals live. The CSK vs DC match will be broadcasted live on the Star Sports Network. Viewers can also live stream the match on Jio Hotstar application and the website in multiple languages and the camera angles. Now moving on to CSK vs DC predicted playing 11s. CSK firstly, Rachin Ravindra opening alongside Rahul Tripathi. Ruturaj Gaikwad, the captain, at number 3, Vijay Shankar at number 4, Jamie Overton at number 5, Ravindra Jadeja at number 6, MS Dhoni, the wicketkeeper, at number 7, Ravichandran Ashwin at number 8, Noor Ahmed at number 9, Khalil Ahmed at number 10, Matisha Patirana at number 11, and Shivam Dube might come in as the impact player. Moving on to DC, Jake Fraser-McGurk and Faf du Plessis opening the innings, having Abhishek Porel at number 3, KL Rahul, the wicketkeeper, at number 4, Akshar Patel, the captain, at number 5, Tristan Stubbs at number 6, Vipraj Nigam at number 7, Mitchell Starc at number 8, Kuldeep Yadav at number 9, Mohit Sharma at number 10, and Mukesh Kumar at number 11. Now moving on to the hot picks of CSK DC match, Dream 11 predictions and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy choices. Ruturaj Gaikwad, the CSK skipper, led from the front in the last game, smashing a well-compiled 63 runs. Rachin Ravindra, the left-handed opener from Chennai Super Kings, departed for just a duck in the last match, but has the potential to deliver big knock in the upcoming match. Now the top picks. Mitchell Starc, the left-arm fast bowler from Delhi Capitals, delivered a match-winning spell in the last game, claiming 5 wickets. Ravichandran Ashwin, the experienced all-rounder from CSK, contributed with ball in the last match, picking 1 important wicket. Moving on to the budget picks, Tristan Stubbs, Delhi Capitals right-handed batsman, can play impactful knocks in the middle overs. Vipraj Nigam, the right-handed batsman and right-arm leg break bowler from Delhi Capitals, can contribute effectively both with bat and the ball. Moving on to CSK vs DC Dream 11 predicted teams. Firstly, Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicketkeepers are KL Rahul and MS Dhoni. Batsmen are Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis and Rachin Ravindra. All-rounders are Akshar Patel and Ravindra Jadeja. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Kuldeep Yadav, Matisha Patirana and Noor Ahmed. This team will be led by Rachin Ravindra, having Australian veteran Mitchell Starc as the vice-captain. Moving on to Dream 11 Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicketkeepers are KL Rahul and MS Dhoni. Batsmen are Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Rachin Ravindra. All-rounders are Akshar Patel, Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran Ashwin. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Kuldeep Yadav and Noor Ahmed. This team will be led by CSK captain MS Dhoni, having Ravichandran Ashwin as the vice-captain. Now moving on to players to avoid for this match. Mukesh Kumar, with just 7 fantasy points in the last match, he might not be the best pick for this game. Nathan Ellis did not play in the last match, so may not be a certain pick in the playing 11. Now moving on to CSK vs Delhi Capitals match, expert advice. Small league captaincy choice is Rachin Ravindra. Grand League captaincy choice is MS Dhoni. Punt picks can be Ravichandran Ashwin and Matisha Patirana. An ideal Dream 11 team combination is 2 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounders and 4 bowlers. Now the final segment, CSK vs Delhi Capitals match winners prediction. With a combination of their squad capabilities and historical performance, suggests that CSK will emerge victorious in this match. Despite Delhi Capitals being in better current form, the conditions at Chepauk are heavily in favor of CSK's style of play. So the final prediction is Chennai Super Kings to win a close, low mid-scoring contest, leveraging their home conditions and experienced bowling unit. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 analysis on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.